Good day, guys. This is JBL Tech Tips again with another video. And if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share the video for more content like this. Now, pretty much today I'm going to show you how to know the password of the Wi-Fi devices that are currently connected. Let's say, for instance, you are at a company and a device has been connected to their Wi-Fi and you don't know the password. Now, as you saw earlier on, I'm currently connected onto my Wi-Fi. It's called Jaden Rain, and I'm going to show you pretty much the steps and how to do it. Now, the first thing you need to head over on to click that Windows button, type in Control, and over onto the Control panel. Click on Open. As you can see, I can't see well, so I had to enlarge onto large icons so that I can see well. And we are currently looking for Network and Sharing Center. That's what we're looking for at the moment. There you go. And as you can see, that's the Wi-Fi that I'm currently connected on to. It's called Jaden Rain. Click there. Once you are there, let me just click on details and see what I can do. On details, as you can see, it's showing you all the IP address, the DNS, the domain name server, and the dynamic host protocol, and all the control protocol and all that stuff. But that's not what we're looking for. That's just some other stuff that we're looking for. Head over onto wireless properties, and as you can see there, that's what we're looking for. Once you click on show characters, then that's when you'll be able to know the password of your company or whatever, or whoever the person that asked you that put in the password. So that's how you find out the password. And as you can see, there's all sorts of type of password types or security types. You can click on none if you don't want any password, but like for me, it's the WPA personal, and pretty much that's how you find out the password that has been connected onto your machine or your laptop or your device, any other thing. And thank you guys. Hit the subscribe button, like, and comment and share.